Everybody's working but the cat, staring down Christmas in a grumpy little hat. Dog's at the typewriter losing his mind. Reindeer on overtime, sleigh running late tonight. Santa's mid-snack, kids laughing like that. It's Christmas Eve chaos. Everybody's working but the cat. Lights flicker, snow falls sideways. Something's always going wrong. Someone forgot the batteries. Someone wrote this stupid song. Deadline ticking, bells are ringing. World's about to lose its hat. Someone tell me why the hell the only one calm is the cat. Got a grumpy furball in a Santa suit, looking like joy personally offended him too. Dog with a cigarette and a cup of cheap brew, typing one line then deleting two. Reindeer stretching, antlers aching, harness tight and patience thin. Santa's testing mince pies again for purely professional reasons. Everybody's working but the cat, judging us all from a festive little lap. Dogs got riders blocking nicotine breath. Reindeer counting steps till a veterinary check. Santa's on dessert number 40 flat. It's Christmas Eve chaos. Everybody's working but the cat. Printers jammed, elves are fighting. Someone spilled the cocoa stash. Weather app says good luck flying. North Pole Wi-Fi's gone to ash. Children dreaming, parents rapping, tape stuck to their own damn hair. Cat just blinks real slow like none of this was my idea fair. Snow globe shaking, nerves are breaking, countdown screaming 10 to flat. Whole world spinning out of control while he sharpens claws on a welcome mat. Everybody's working but the cat. Cold blue eyes under fluffy white trim and red hat. Dog still typing, reindeer still run. Santa saying one more, meaning none. Moon high, sleigh loaded to the mat. It's Christmas Eve chaos. Everybody's working but the cat. Maybe he knows something we don't. Maybe this is all just noise. Maybe Christmas isn't hustle and lists. Maybe it's naps and judgmental poise. He's not lazy, he's enlightened. Zen and fur and mild attack. If peace had a spokesperson, it'd probably be that cat. Everybody's working but the cat, while the world burns bright in tinsel and tat. Dog hits save, reindeer lift. Santa wipes crumbs from his beard mid-shift. Morning comes, hat tip back. Merry Christmas to the humans. Everybody's working but the cat. Everybody's working but the cat. Told you so.